This is my Ford Taunus Coupe Fastback, they call this one in US. The model code is TC1. I bought the car back in 1989, not in use the last 13 years. This year I have finished some painting jobs and polished the car. We're gonna take a short trip, see how the car runs after all these years in the garage. Behind that wheel again, I'm back at the 70s. Real time machine. I can hear the silencer slams to the chassis slightly. But the engine seems to run nice. No power steering. Oh, job here. Runs nicely. Oh my god, the brakes is almost gone. The 6-cylinder engine spins like a cat. Five-speed gearbox works fine. Hello, August sun, catch my eyes. Time to turn home. Heavy steering. Quite nice test run, but I can hear the generator has to change to a new one. Need some new tires. Some chrome stripes are missing. Can be hard to find. And the valves need some adjusting. Hopefully soon my old Blackie be on the road again. And after all, it was a nice trip. To continue. Bye bye.